Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Stand tall like a mountain and feel strong and ready for the day. Reach up high and wake up your whole body. Lift your chest and make your back long and strong. Sit back like a chair and feel your legs getting strong. Open wide like a shining morning star. Balance like a tree and stay calm and steady. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Be a brave warrior starting a new day. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Reach long and feel your energy flow. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Open your chest and feel ready to move. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stand strong and steady in your lunge. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Hold strong like a plank and feel your power. Lift your chest like a waking cobra. Stretch like a happy dog in the morning. Lift one leg and challenge your balance. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Sit low and feel grounded and steady. Rest your body and enjoy a calm morning. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.